You map the masculine onto the dominance hierarchy. You map the feminine onto nature. Well, that works. All of a sudden that works. It's like you can survive like that. So you think, well, is that a metaphor? It's like, no, it's not a metaphor. And here's an example. Why is Mother Nature Mother Nature? Well, what's nature? Well, nature is that which selects. That's like, as far as I can tell, how else are you going to define nature? Nature selects. Women select. I mean, that's what women do, human women. They're not like chimps. They're selective maters. So as far as men are concerned, and maybe as far as women are concerned too, women are nature. It's not a metaphor. It's like they're the thing that stops you from reproducing, let's say. And that's partly why they make you self-conscious when you're rejected. It's like they're the portal to immortality. That's another way of looking at it. They are nature. It's not like they represent it. They are nature in the most direct possible way. So, like, is that a right way of looking at the world? It's difficult to make an alternative case if you think from a Darwinian perspective. Now, there's a metaphorical element to it too, because you can also project it on that which lies outside of the patriarchy, which is also why women get in trouble with men sometimes, because men can easily get them confused, right? It's easy for women to be the chaotic thing that doesn't fit in the hierarchy, and women are always complaining about that, right? And as they should. It's a constant battle. But what's happened, for better or worse, is that we've been able to take that initial social cognitive architecture to build a system of abstraction on top of that, to use the same basic categories to explain how to behave, and it worked. So it's mind-boggling. It's mind-boggling to me that that works.